Hello student, my name is Aksh and I am pursuing MSc in Mathematics from IIT Patna. So today I explain the topic of matrix. So what is matrix? Matrix Matrix is an ordered arrangement of numbers or functions which look like, we say matrix A, which is look like this, whose entries are A, B, C and D, and whose order is M cross N, where entries are A, B, C, D are belong to real or complex. Okay, so the matrix will look like this form. This is a arrangement of numbers and whose order is M cross N. Okay, where these box said to be row. Actually, row 1 we say, and this box is row 2. Similarly, this box, these two boxes said to be column, say C1, and column 2 say C2. So the matrix is an ordered arrangement of numbers or functions which we look like this. Those entries are coming from real or complex. Okay. So I explained the types of matrix. What are the types? So types of matrices. First, square matrix. So square matrix are we let in general matrix say A, which matrix looks like, whose entries are Aij, whose order is n cross n. So this is matrix whose element are Aij, where I is denoted as ith row. So we suppose the matrix whose element is Aij and the order is n cross n. So the element whose have either row and jth column. Suppose the matrix whose entries are 1, 2, 3 and 4, which is whose order is 2 cross 2. So we take first element. First element entries are 1, which is located at the place of first row and first column. This is first row and this is first column. So first column, column. So whose ij term will be a11. The value of I is 1, which is this, and j is 1, which is this. Okay. So we suppose the matrix A, whose entries is aij, which places at the ith position of row and jth position of column, whose matrix are order should be n cross n. In the case of square matrix, the value of m and n are equal. Okay. So in square matrix, the order, the value of m and should be equal. Okay. And further we move second matrix, which is called a rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix. In further discussion, we always take this symbol, this notation of matrix. So angular matrix, a rectangular matrix, whose order is m and n, here which has n number of rows and number of, and denotes as n number of columns. Okay. So in rectangular matrix, the value of m and n should not be equal. Okay. The third matrix is upper triangle matrix. Upper triangle matrix. In upper triangle matrix, in previous part, we let matrix A, I, J cross. Okay, we take this matrix. So in upper triangle matrix, the condition will be matrix whose ith term is greater than j. Ith term is greater than j will be a and j, and less than it will be 0. So this matrix will look like this. Suppose we had a 2 cross 2 matrix whose number of rows is 2 and number of column is 2. Okay, these are row and column. So we take 2 rows, 2 columns matrix. In upper triangle matrix, in place of this, first place 1 1 1 2 1 3, sorry, 2 1 2 2, this will be 0, which is like this. And in 3 cross 3 matrix, the entries will be A11, A12, A13, 0, A22, A23, the upper triangular matrix will be look like this, and in second order matrix the upper triangular matrix will look like this. Okay. Similarly, in lower triangular matrix, lower triangular matrix, just opposite. The principal diagonal. What is principal diagonal? This is principal diagonal. The entry in upper triangular matrix, the entry is above the principal diagonal is now 0, and lower than it will be 0. Just opposite. The entry which is below the principal diagonal should be non-zero, and rest will be 0, which is look like in 3 cross 3 matrix. The entry A11 0 0 A21 A22 0 A31 A32 A33. So the lower triangular matrix look like this, and second order A11 A12 0 A13 2 cross 2 cross. Okay. The lower triangular matrix is defined like this. So rest of it explain in next class. So thank you.